folks, I just wanted to do a little video for the quiche video tomorrow in preparation. It's Shortcrust Pastry. The reason why I'm doing it is because it's the base of the quiche and also can be used for so many other things like chicken pie or apple tart, strawberry tart, other assorted fruity tarts. It only has 3 ingredients, that's flour, butter and water, and a little bit of elbow grease, so there's no excuse not to do it, so get your arse in here and let's begin. I'm going to do the video from here because of camera angles. Anyway, so there's 2 really important things you need to know about making shortcrust pastry. That is, everything has to be really, really cold. Secondly, the amount of fat that you use is half the amount of flour that you use. So we're using 300 grams of plain flour and 150 grams of butter, or Stork, or something like this, which is bacon fat. 250 grams of that is 49¢ in Aldi, but we're only using 150 grams today. Sift your flour into a bowl and cut up your butter into chunks because it's easier to work with, and add your butter into the flour. Rub the butter into the flour using your fingertips until it resembles breadcrumbs. This is going to take a good couple of minutes, but with the power of technology... Look, I'm already finished, woo! Now, it's not exactly breadcrumbs. I mean, there's still a few lumps in there, but I wouldn't worry too much about that. What I need to do now is add some water to make it into an actual dough. Now, I'm not going to give you proper, measurements. This has a bit of flour in it, never mind that. This is just a cup of water. I'm just going to add a little bit into it until it becomes a dough. You should have something that looks like this. If you think you've added too much water and it's very wet, that's okay. You can just add a bit more flour. Now you can wrap this up in cling film and keep it in the fridge until it's ready to use. I have this wrapped up in cling film ready to go into the fridge. It can last in the fridge for a couple of days. You can also freeze it. You can freeze it for ages. It only takes an hour or 2 to defrost, so if you make loads, just pop it into the freezer. To be honest, this probably isn't the best shortcrust pastry, but it does the job and you're going to need it anyway for the quiche video. So I hope you find that really useful and I'll see you soon.